Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Continue in the pop-up, tap on Allow, and select this gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Finally, hit the Browse section at the bottom in the middle and tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!